So what we're going to use in this recipe is a ready-made pie crust. With just 4 of us, I only need 1 of these pie crusts. So what I'm going to do is lay it out on this here. If this is a cut and seal, that's what this is called, where it cuts and then you can press it to seal and it makes the seal around it. And I use those for sandwiches, but I like to use it for little hand pies and desserts too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut out as many circles as I can using this cutter. And with 1 pie crust, without rolling it out, I can get 6, and I need 8 for our 4 hand pies. So I'm just going to take the dough and I'm going to mash it up. So if you have more than 4 people, you're obviously going to want to use the second pie crust that comes in the package. That comes with 2 pie crusts. I have 8 circles for my mini pies, and we are next going to put them together. So this pan here, and I put a piece of parchment paper down. So I'm going to take the bottom piece and scoop out a good tablespoon of pie filling. And then our top piece, I'm going to roll each side. I'm going to turn it just a little bit. The reason I'm doing it is that I want it to lay nicely over the top of the filling. Now I'm just going to press it to hold it in place, because then I'm going to take my cutter and put it over the top and press it just a little bit. We have a beautiful little pie. 2. So we're going to keep going until we make 4. I'm going to put a little bit of butter on the top and give that nice golden brown when it cooks in the oven. And then I'm just going to slide this in the refrigerator until later today, and I might take it out about 5 o'clock and leave them on the counter until I'm ready to bake them. I'll bake them probably for about 10 minutes or until they're golden brown. And if you've sealed them, they might still leak a little bit. And what I've done is just kind of scoop that and flop it on top of the pie itself, because it's not runny. It's like a crystallized sugary yumminess. It's time to cook our cute little mini blueberry pies. I've got the oven at 375. We're going to stick them in and check on them in about 10 minutes and see how they turn out. So this is at about 14 minutes or so. They are oozing a little bit. That's okay, but I want a nice golden brown, so we'll give it just another minute. All right, so here we go. Here's our little pies. We'll let them cool off, and then I'll move them to a plate for supper time. We do a lot of things by hand, but I also love having convenience. And when these are buy one, get one free or super cheap, I'll buy a couple and I'll stick it in the freezer. And when you're looking to put together something quick, whether it's a quiche or dessert or something like that, you've got it in the freezer.
Our modern homestead revival is dedicated to teaching you those Southern heritage skills that are fading fast. We share how we've learned to homeschool those wild Giles boys. We'll take you into the great outdoors to show you that it has way more to offer than just mosquitoes. We believe that living a simple life is the key that brings it all home. Won't you join us?